Look at these bad boys. They're going deep sea fishing all the way out to the Channel Islands. It's 6 a.m. An early show at the Stardust Sports Fishing. It's going to be a one-day show out of the Santa Barbara Harbor and back. There's definitely some serious fishermen in this crowd. It's a little hurry up and wait time. These guys are about ready to start their 2.5 hour excursion out to the Channel Islands. There's definitely a variety of hardware needed to tackle these fish. A lot of open water ahead of us. We're about in the middle of the channel, and we're just coming upon a school of friendly dolphins. And he looks like he has the islands out there in view. I see Michael's enjoying his front row seat there. It won't be long until these anchovies are put to the test. Everybody's baited up now, so that means it won't be long until the game begins. Yeah, it looks like it's time to finally get those anchovies in the water. It's going to be bottom fishing today, and that bottom is a couple 100 feet down. Cappy here is watching the action. Michael here has plenty to be happy about.
We still got a couple fish over here, dang.
And Andy has something to be proud of here. Whoa, look at this giant. Yep, Michael's claiming this one. Next to the biggest catch of the day. Cameron agrees. Well, Cappy says, reel them up. It's time to head back to the harbor. Andy's starting to pay attention to the filleters. They're starting to carve up big red. Well, I see Big John here is taking orders for lunch. And that's good, because I know a few guys that are really ripped up an appetite. And here comes the seagulls starting to show up for the action. And Andy's taking it all in. I think he's impressed with those filleters. They have a lot of fish to fillet, and they're not wasting any time. thinking these guys are thinking lunch. Big John's in there working hard over that grill. I think they're starting to anticipate the feeding. And voila, the waiting is over. Not a bad looking burger. Lunch is gone and yep, Michael's out. Anticipation in the air up there is building. We're paying real close attention to what those deckhands are doing. And one thing we're keeping an eye on is that pile of fish guts. Well, that's all they needed to see. And the show begins. Meanwhile, the Fish and Game is busy surveying. Big John finds time to clean the boat. Somebody's leaving the crow's nest. This bird's up to no good. The park ranger finds time to chit-chat with the crowd. Cameron's hard at work there collecting tips. Then we start to see the Santa Barbara coastline. And before you know it, we're almost back to the landing dock. Happy there is letting them know how it's done.
It's flat. The wind's going to go right through it. But once the wind catches the house, it's game over. And I don't want to end up with half my boat in the slip. That way we'll smash it.
It's departure time. Everybody seems to be happy. It must have been a good fishing day. And he has his poles and one heavy bag of fish fillets. I know of a few guys who are going to remember this trip for a long time.